As a registered materials admin, you have the option to choose single-click or standard as your course pack type. When you click Create Course Pack, a pop-up window will appear asking for some basic information required to set up the course pack. Single-click can be used to deliver PDF and Excel content only. Select Standard Course Pack if you are delivering e-learning HTML content, such as multimedia cases, simulations, or online courses. Creating single-click links. Click Create Course Pack and select Single-click to begin adding links to your course. You must publish the course pack before the links can be made available. Another pop-up window will appear. From here, finalize course details, including the instructor name and projected enrollment. Click Publish Course Pack when ready. Once payment has been finalized, you'll receive an order number. Click Go to Course Pack to view your published course pack and obtain single-click links. Single-click course packs can be shared with other materials admins at your institution by using the Collaborate Co-Teach button. Single-click links cannot be collaborated with educators. A few important things to remember when creating single-click course packs. Single-click links are generated when your course pack status is published. Single-click links from course packs that are in modified or expired status will not work. If you enter a start date that is a future date, your single-click links will not work until that date. You can always change the start date to today's date, and the links will work right away. If you need to extend the end date of a course, up to 6 months from the start date, you must do so prior to the end date. Once the end date has come, the course is expired and the links will not work. You can add products to an already published course if needed. If you do so, you must publish the course again as it will go into a modified status. You can make changes to a course, such as an end date, course name, and professor name at any time, and those changes will update live.